यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम टू देवपद एजुकेशंस। आप सभी का देवपद एजुकेशन में स्वागत है। तो आज हम लोग कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम या अभी असम में एडीआरई एग्जाम होने वाला है, इसके लिए जो सिंपल इंटरेस्ट का हम लोग लास्ट यानी कि पार्ट 1 में बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट, डेफिनेशंस और उसके साथ साथ फॉर्मूला के बारे में सीखा। तो ये जो पार्ट 2 है, पार्ट 2 में इससे रिलेटेड सिंपल सम जो है, बेसिक सम सब हम लोग इसमें सीखेंगे। तो फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला इज simple interest equal to P into R into T by 100. Question number 1, the simple interest on rupees 2,500 for 3 years at 4% per annum is A. Option is 240. This is rupees 240. B. rupees 300. C. rupees 280. rupees 290. How to do here? P is rupees 2,500. T 3 years rate 4%. Simple interest formula P into R into T by 100. What is the value of P? 2,500. R 4, T is 3 by 100. So 0 cancel. 25 into 4, 100 into 3, 300. So option is B, rupees 300. So the first question is the simple interest on rupees 2,500 for 3 years at 4% per annum is rupees 2,240, B 300, C 280 and D 290. So principal is 2,500 and time T is 3 years, rate of interest are 4%. So simple interest P into R into T by 100. So P is the 2,500, R is 4 and T is 3. So 0 cancel. So if we multiply this, we get 300. So answer is the what? B 300. Next questions. Number 2. The simple interest on rupees 8930 at the rate of interest 8% per annum after 5 years is option A rupees 3572, B 3582, C 5240, D 7523. By same method, we can do simple interest formula P into R into T by 100. Here what is the value of P? 8930, R 8, T 5 by 100. This one 0 we can cancel. 5 2 are 10, 2 4 are 8. If you multiply this, 4 3 12, 4 9 36, 1 37, 4 8 32, 32 plus 3 35, 3572. So what is the answer? A, rupees 3572. So here what is the question? The simple interest on rupees 8930 at the rate of interest 8% per annum after 5 years. So simple interest formula you know, P into R into T by 100. P, what is the value of P? 8930 into R 8 and T is the what? 5 by 100. 0 you can cut. 5 2 are 10, 2 4 are 8. If you multiply this, 4 3 are 12, 2 4 9 are 32 plus 4 3 are 12, 4 9 are 36 plus 1 37, 4 8 are 32 plus 3 35. That is 3572. Next question number 3. The simple interest on rupees 6400 for 3 1/4 years and at 9% PA is. Same method, simple interest formula. You can give the answer. What is the formula for simple interest? P into R into T by 100. Very good. Now what is the value of P? What is the value of P? P is 6400. R is 9 into T. T is 3 1/4. That means 3 into 4 12. 12 plus 1 13 by 4 into here 100. 0 we can cancel. Now 4 1 are 4 16. If we multiply this, 16 9 are 144 and 144 into 13 1872. So 13 4 are 52 2, 13 4 are 52 plus 5 57, 13 1 are 3 5 18 1872. So for calculation you have to learn multiplication table at least 1 to 30 and a square. For calculation to be easy, if you learn a square 1 to 30 like 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, at least 1 to 50, cube 1 to 20, then calculation will be easy. So here we change the answer 172. C is the correct answer, 172. So your next question number 3 is the what? The simple interest on rupees 6,400 for 3 1/4 years at 9% PA. Option A 1827, B 1873, and C is what? 1872, then D 1829. The simple interest formula, P into R into T by 100. P is the 6,400 and R is the what? 9 and T 3 1/4. That means 3 4 12, 12 plus 1 13/4. Cancel 0 0. We can cut. So 4 16. You divide 64 by 4. If you multiply this, we'll get 1872. 1872 is the correct answer. Our next question is the simple interest on rupees 1648 for 2 years at 6 1/4% P. So here simple interest formula. Which formula we have to apply? P into R into T by 100. What is the value of P? P is 1648 R. 6 1/4%. 6 4 are 24. 24 plus 1 25 by 4 into T. T is what? 2 and into formula is what? 100. Now calculate this. 25 4 2 1 are 2 2. Then if you divide this, 2 8 is 16, 2 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8. If you divide this, 4 2 is 8, 0 6 equal to what? 206. Answer is what? 206. So here answer is C, rupees 206. So question number 4, the simple interest on rupees 1648 for 2 years at 6 1/4% per annum. Option 263, B 264, C 206, C D 265. Simple interest formula, P into R into T by 100. P is 1648, R 25, T2 by 100 into 4. If you calculate this, only get 206. Answer is C, 206. Next question number 5. The simple interest on rupees 5,000 for 10 months at the rate of 8%. Option A 320, B 322, C 324, D 328. Here what is P? Simple interest formula, you know, P into R into T by 100. What is P? 5,000. What is R? R is 8. T is 10 months. If 10 months, we have to convert into year. How to convert into year? By dividing 12. Why? Because there are 12 months in 1 year. So divide by 12 into this is 100. Is it? Now 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12. Now calculate this. 50, 4 3 are 12. Suppose this is 8 months. Suppose 6 months at the rate of not 10 months. Suppose this is 6 months. So 6 2 is 12. 8 2 4 is 8. So 50 into 4, 200. And option is, suppose this is C is 200. So here question is simple interest on 5,000 for 6 months at the rate of 8%. A rupees 320, B is 322, C 200 and D is 328. Now simple interest formula is P into R into T by 100. Here what is the value of P? P is 5,000, R is 8 and T is 6. And to convert months into year, you have to divide by 12 because 1 year 12 months into 100, 0, 6 1 जा 6, 2 12, 2 4 जा 8. If you multiply this, you'll get 200. So answer is what? C, rupees 200. तो आज का सिंपल इंटरेस्ट का जो है फर्स्ट पार्ट यही कंप्लीट होता है। तो कोई भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स है कि हम लोग को कम टाइम में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा करना है। तो इसके लिए एक तो जरूरी है प्रैक्टिस और दूसरा है शॉर्टकट मेथड, शॉर्टकट टिप्स सब समझना पड़ेगा। तो हम लोग जो है इजीली कम टाइम में कर सकते हैं। और इसके साथ साथ जरूरी है कैलकुलेशन जो पार्ट है बहुत शॉर्ट टाइम में करना है। तो कैलकुलेशन के लिए मस्ट है कि मल्टीप्लिकेशन टेबल लर्न करें। इसके साथ साथ स्क्वायर, जैसे 1 स्क्वायर 1, 2 स्क्वायर 4, उसके बाद क्यूब है 1 क्यूब 1, 2 क्यूब 8, 3 क्यूब 27। तो इस तरह का जो ये सब है अच्छी तरह से लर्न करेंगे तो हम लोग बहुत कम समय में ही क्या कर सकता है, कैलकुलेट कर सकता है और कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में सफलता हासिल कर सकते हैं। सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस देवपथ एजुकेशंस। फिर अगले क्लास सिंपल डेज में हम लोग मिलेंगे।